Good morning. Today is hair day. So I think I'm going to keep the bangs, keep the length, basically just keep everything the same because I like my hair the way it has been. So I think that's the plan. I've got Benny here, Liam's here, and Bo is with me today. And then after this, we're going to go for Benny's physical therapy appointment. And so that's what's going on here. My mom took Evie, Inga, and Roz and Cora to pickleball today. She had pickleball, so she took them. And then Jenna's going to help with the kids after volleyball. And then Sam had weightlifting. So lots of people going lots of places today. So today is Amazon Prime Day. And you guys have been asking about Tammy's grandkids for a long time. I've put together an Amazon wish list for those kids, and I'm going to share the link. So a lot of you guys remember Tammy, and for those who don't remember Tammy, Tammy was a grandma who lived in our town. She actually lived right down the road from us, and she was raising her 5 grandkids, and she was always at the school events with me. I was watching my kids. She was watching her grandkids. I knew that she had a hard time because she was a grandma raising 5 grandkids, but you would never know it if you looked at her because she had the biggest smile. She was always present, always just so full of joy. Well, she got cancer. We did a fundraiser for her. You guys came together. We raised, I think, $16,000 for her family. And then she died of cancer a little bit after Thanksgiving last year. And her grandkids are now being raised by her sister. And they are having a hard time. They need all the help we can give them. And I am going to share. All right, so those are the things going on here today. I'll show my before and after hair. And Benny's physical therapy in a little bit. All right, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Okay, tell me your guys' names. What are your names?
Gracie, Gabby,
and Nico. What grades are you going into?
I'm going to 5th grade.
Cool.
I'm going to 3rd grade.
Okay.
Let's go to
2nd grade, that's right. Are you guys having a good summer?
Yes.
Good. It's kind of hot out right now, isn't it?
And I got a fidget.
Oh, you got a fidget. That's so cool. That's awesome. What have you guys been doing this summer?
Well, I can't even on my goodness.
Cool.
I've been swimming, but the school took up and so even what's
Oh gosh. Just having fun. Good. Great.
And we've been at church every
I love that. To tell that story too. So we did our fundraiser last year, and one of our followers lived down the road from you guys and said, I would like to take these kids to church. And so they've been picking you up and taking you to church every Sunday, haven't they? Do you guys like going to church? Good. That's awesome. That's really cool.
How about Miss Sue?
Yeah, tell me about Miss Sue.
Her birthday was yesterday.
Oh, happy birthday.
And she made sure that we were okay, and she helped with my aunts. And she brought us Christmas presents sometimes.
Yeah. I like Miss Sue. I know who you're talking about. She's a sweet lady.
Takes us to church
Okay.
all the time, and she loves us more than
Yes.
and she also is really sweet because when she picks us up and when we come home,
Thank you.
we
you.
always give her a hug or we get into the house.
Oh, that's sweet. I love that. What is your favorite subject in school?
science.
You like science? What do you like the best? Math? What is your favorite thing to do at school? Subtracting. I bet you also like recess and PE, don't you? That's what my Benny would say. Tell me your favorite memory of Grandma Tammy.
My favorite memory of my grandmother, she took us to this place in Springfield where we got to see fishes, and we got to see some penguins, and we got to see some of these fish just like spin around like a goldfish. It was like a tornado, but it would keep spinning around. And my second favorite thing about my grandma is that she always buys us clothes, cooked us food, take us to school, and she took us and she brought all the family together to go to church together.
Yes.
We used to go.
That's right.
My favorite memory of grandma was when every morning when we wake up, we wake up and we give our grandma a hug and then she gets her tea, and then after that we talk to her and we tell her what we do at church after we come home.
What was your favorite memory of Grandma Tammy?
Running with grandma and Auntie fishing.
And she was always smiling, wasn't she? She was always smiling. She loved being with you guys.
This is her house.
Yes. Yeah. Something that you guys would love to have before school starts this year.
I would like to have a new backpack. I would like to have new shoes.
Okay.
I would like to have new pencils.
New pencil. Cool. Love partnering with Built Bars. So these are their Built Puff, and this one is brownie batter puff, and then this one is cookie dough chunk puff, which both of these sound right up my alley. They sound delicious. They are amazing because they taste like a candy bar. They really do. They're so yummy. I'm trying to find the protein label here so I can show you the nutrition in these as well, because not only do these taste like a candy bar, they are healthy for you. They only have 3.5 grams of fat per bar, and they have 15 grams of protein. So my question for my next snack here is, which one do I eat first? Because they are all amazing and they seriously taste just like a snack. You love that Kiki, don't you? Can you say Kiki? Say Kiki. It's a nice kitty.
Are you petting it?
She's soft.
Are you petting the kitty? Both things, yes.
Here, let's hold it like this. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh my goodness, look at these dogs.
Who's gonna eat my stuff?
You like another sibling?
Yes.
I don't care. Yes.
Yes. Yes. I don't know. Yeah. There.
And Bo. You like another sibling?
Yes.
I don't care. Yes.
Yes. Yes. I don't know. Yeah. There.
And Bo.
Do you want another brother or sister?
Yeah?
leg first. Don't. Backward, over,
Trains.
backwards, over.
Walk through.
Then sweep back.
5, 6.
You know what I'm saying? Keep on. See it? A little higher. Now.
It's like physical therapy and Spanish combined.
Right.
German now. Okay. Eins, zwei,
It's got to get higher to count.
wir,
Uh-huh.
5, 6. Wait, I lost it. 7, 8. So wait, we're at 7.
Left leg first.
Keep going. Keep going.
7, 8, 9,
You know I don't do that.
Zen. That may or may not be right.
4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm coming to crash your party. I'm going to bring a whole bunch of chickens. I'm just going to like throw them out and they're all going to crash your party.
They'd fit right in, wouldn't they?
You'll keep them.
He likes chickens. That wouldn't crash the
I'm
party.
gonna bring a whole bunch of giraffes. Ugh.
Got two big old baskets out there. I told him, I said, my office is just down the hallway down there. You put them in there. And he'd give me a little box that Wanda had made for me.
We are at the pool. Annie's in here. So that is actually not a pool mat. People have asked me for the link to this pool mat. It's a gymnastic mat that they are using in the pool. Yeah, it's meant to be like a gymnastic mat, but it's they're using it in the pool, and it so far seems to be good. It's not like getting waterlogged, and they're having a lot of fun with it, and it's very buoyant. So that's cool. Annie's cooling off here. I think is Bruno asking me to turn on the splash pad? I think so.
We call burgers. Meat circles. Hey, what's up, man? Bruce, what do you know? Actually, I go by Bruce now. Bruce? Oh, someone got fancy. I like it.
Go.
Look who's talking. Is that a sweater romper?
What do you do?
Go run a place.
Yeah, I'm the fun side of the operation, and Mr. Clay takes care of the boring stuff.
Guilty. Whoa, baby Bruce.
To say boy, alone. I didn't need them growing up, and I don't need them now. What are you doing? Why bother? Aren't you
That's
going
Bo.
to be eventually anyway?
Yeah, that was Bo.
Someone else does.
This is more.
No.
I don't know if we'll have all the ingredients to make
Oh, there's pie.
Yeah, there's
all of it. But
There's shortbread in here. I made it.
Is there a table?
It's too. I think it's too